What I really want, and I know this sounds naive, I really want revolution. And I don't know if that can ever happen. I think it can now. I think it can now because people are taking things into their own hands. In the 70s, I did what I thought of as, quote, installations. But I wanted people to be part of the installations and also to include my voice. I started to think, I wonder, can you really go on doing performance? I think I was thinking if once you become a performer, you're really a kind of clown for the audience. I thought maybe I shouldn't have to be doing pieces live all the time. So I did this piece called Command Performance. There was a video monitor on the floor. The video monitor faces a stool. My face, kind of upside down, is directed towards somebody who might be sitting on that stool. I'm humming, but while I'm humming, I go through different kinds of things.
Oh, let them sit there on the edge of their seats, let them hear it.
So that was the first piece where I thought, maybe I don't have to be there. You know, I could be there on television. I wanted to do things that could be part of the everyday world. So I started doing things that people might not take as art.
I want to believe there's no one here. I want to believe there's no one here under the table. That is up to me to do. It's up to me to touch my thighs.
I can't stand galleries. There would be frequent phone calls saying, we have to have something to sell, you know. And that started to ruin things for me. I wanted to be interfered with. I wanted to be objected to, and I hoped that could lead to something else. I wanted things to be almost exercises for people. Of course, I needed to make money, but I never put that first. I started to think, I don't think I want to do projects alone. I want to form a studio. It was important to me that people be part of the project. I didn't want to be a solo voice that made the project. That's what really led to architecture. I really want persons to be not just users, but kinds of activators, you know.